This is a smart LED RGB lamp that stands 50 inches tall. It's got a number of things, and we're going to show you what it looks like. We're going to open it up, install it, show the app, and so on. Let's get right to the review. The light bar size is 1200 millimeter by 8 millimeter with 160 degrees. Comes nicely packed, as you can see. This is the base, 3 openings. It's got a felt bottom, got some weight to it. You have 3 light bars. You have one with the wire that's going to go on first. You're going to simply clockwise lock it into place. You hear a click. That's over here, the light, so don't squeeze too hard. You peel off the sticker. Each of the bar has a caution sticker. Only one side is lit. This is part number 2. Part number 3. These are called grub bolts that you see on the table I'm picking up. That grub bolt goes on number 1 to the designated holes. You get it started. Repeat for the second hole. Take the next part, align it up, slide it on. This is the control, has an on and off, a mode and a music, the remote sensor, and the cable that plugs into the power port, plugs into the wall. This is the remote control. When you first plug it in, the light should light up, and there you go. We'll turn it towards you so you can see it. Now it is blinking, it's doing its job, it's telling you something. You have a remote control, and of course you have a user's manual. And in order for it to work, you must peel that film out, because there is a 2025 battery that you can replace by pulling this little tab, the tab out, and everything will start to work properly. You have now an off button, an on button, an auto button. You have modes. You have a brightness level. You have R, G, B. We'll keep it on this so we can show you the brightness and dim it down for you. And you can change it to yellow, blue, and so forth. All the colors on here. You have a W, which is white, and you have a music mode. So it's going to dance to your voice. You have a lock mode and a color mode. Now in the user's manual, it's going to tell you how to set things up, get onto the smart app, which you're going to have to sign up, and then you're able to use it via the smartphone. We have the application already loaded up, and we're going to go to the Smart Life app and go to the Bluetooth. We're going to add device, locate the device, come down to remote control on the wire, shut off the lamp and long press on the on and off button. Discovering the device, you're going to add it. It's going to ask for your password. 5.0 gigahertz network. It's downloading DFQYCS14-27. Once it's added, you hit the done button. And it opens up the application, and you can see the way the app is looking there. I could do different things with it. It says I could draw, I could paint, and so forth. So I'm going to draw on the color. I could turn it off. I could turn it on. I could change it to white. And I have a combination color. And I have here is Iceland Blue, Glacier Express, Sea Cloud. I could go to festival mode, for Christmas time, Thanksgiving time. Mother's Day is coming up, and this is what we're going to be doing. And I can add different things by going into the add value, making my own little things and so forth. I could dim the brightness down. And I could do a lot of things, speed it up, and so forth. And then hit save. I could go to the light. I could go to the music. I could go to jazz, play jazz. I could do some scrolling, and then I could go to the last one. And then I could go to the edit button and device information. I could use Alexa and Google Assist if I have, and offline notifications and so forth. Remote control, smartphone, or even to the remote control down here, you have a lot of different things you can do. As you see me changing it and so forth. I hope this is a product that you may be looking for to dress up your area. Try to keep it clean. It's a little bit static. It will collect some dust, but that's quite the norm. And you put it in the corner, put it anywhere you like, game room, wherever. I hope you enjoyed this product. If this is something that you are looking for to spoof up, to dress up and entertain in your house. You can put this anywhere. Put it outside, party time, you name it. Enjoy your product. This is what you are looking for.